Metro train in a smart city. A metro train is moving in a smart city at an elevated height. There are two stations depicted in this model. Each station is this station is provided with a signal. Whenever the train comes, the red LED glows indicating that no other train should come in this direction. These have been adequately provided with a lighting using a serial box. You can observe the signal, red signal glowing whenever this comes. There is an infrared sensor placed here which will detect the presence of the engine and it will glow the red LED. Similarly, the power is generated using a windmill. The windmill is powered and the sensor is powered using a battery. Now, the smart city will have lots of roads for a better transportation. Transportation is very important for any economy. Now it is provided with a vertical parking so that wherever the space is less, more cars can be parked in a vertical fashion. It's also provided with a lot of apartments and an IT hub. The IT park is provided with an on the top helipad. The power for this city is provided using a solar power plant. The solar panels are placed and all the roads are provided with suitable greenery. There are always flyover bridges to reduce the traffic congestion. This is a flyover. Helipad for transportation. Solar power generating station.